Yeah, it's outside and it's dark out almost.
I know.
Okay, let's see if it'll actually start this time. Now we need gas. Now that I've actually had the ignition, it'll probably run.
Oh yeah. Started. Look at that state.
See, it was already primed with fuel. It just needed a spark.
Hmm.
Okay, let's go ahead and see what we got here. Look for that burning myself.
You did?
It will be if I
Oh.
keep pushing my fingers up there to hook that wire up. I'm going to burn myself through there. Okay, let's see how long it takes to get that to go out.
Right away. What does that mean?
The longer it takes before the light comes on, the better. It's a long time.
Okay.
So it's holding oil pressure. So it's not, the motor's very tight. See, it took about 5-6 seconds
Right.
before the light came back on. It's holding pressure internally as it bleeds everything off. It's pretty good.
All right.
So it's definitely a good motor.
Okay.
If that
Nice.
instantly came back on, that means it's pretty loose, I think. So,
Ah, okay. Gotcha.
so this motor, I don't think has a lot of mileage. Right, headlight.
Yeah, it is. Wow. Yeah. Yeah.
Until it dies, you unscrew until it runs good. a little bit, now it's going to die. Right there is good. No extra, not work. Lights are right there. As it warms up, I'm leaving it out.
Oh, okay. How often will I have to do that?
You just have to adjust when it's warm. When you change the place where you're at, the work changes.
Okay.
Hot days, cold days, just a little bit. It might change just a little bit, but right now we still got a lot of oil in the motor. We're going to get the oil out.
Oh, okay.
It's going to rev a little quicker as the oil gets out of the furnace.
Okay. Right there. What the? That's what they want to see. Nice.
Little slippery.
Yeah.
Get your foot on it, put it out. Hey, much there though, make a little tank, you know.
Right.
Hard tire. Hard too, I think, anyway.
Yeah.
Pretty hard. Got a lot of dirt. There's a lot of dirt on this direction too.
Yeah.
Die there. Right there, right in the middle of those pieces here and here. Definitely too much down there. It could be straight or sliding forward, but not much. That's the sweet spot.
Beautiful. Yes. Nice.
Warmed up.
Yes.
Which oil's that now?
I don't know.
Pull up on it.
Oh, that's it?
It's on the dipstick now, at least. So now it's what, about a quart low? Yeah, not quite a quart, but getting there.
That's like right here.
Yeah, a little bit lower than that, but it's all right. It's got half a tank.
Nice.
Enough for now.
Some good looking oil.
Well, it's new. Just put it in there.
Wow. So happy.
Yeah, I don't think it has a camera. It's too. It doesn't have enough up top.
Nice.
Pretty good.
Okay. Yes.
Not blowing smoke. There's no smoke coming out of the
No
tailpipe.
smoke.
Even when I'm blipping the throttle. I gave it a half a turn more accelerator pump. That's this one right here. That screw.
Okay.
So you get a little more whack right off idle there.
Okay.
Because I didn't want to take the throttle initially, so I gave it half a turn more and slowed it better. I don't
Okay.
want to get too much because it blows smoke out.
Right.
Just makes it rich.
Okay.
So I always like
Gotcha.
keeping that as low as I can.
Nice.
So
Well, let me sit on just and see
if
if
you
I
don't
can.
whack the throttle too much, you can turn it down a half a turn.
I wonder if I want this on camera though.
You gonna break the camera?
I might.
It's flashing.
Remember, I'm kind of used to having a brake here, so
Well, there's a brake there, right there.
you know what I mean.
It's pretty far reach to get it to work though. You have to really push forward on your foot a long ways to.
Is it?
Yeah, because it's a stretch out. It'd be nice if it came up a couple more inches and you step up to it.
Yeah.
See, they got it where it's under your foot. I'd rather have it above your foot where you just pull on it. Be better. Be closer to you, but whatever. If you don't like it, always put a master cylinder on it.
Put it away?
Always put a master cylinder on it if you don't like it.
Yeah.
There's one sitting over there, so.
The one we just took off?
Yeah, the one I took off. It looks a lot better without it, so.
It does. I love the way it looks without it.
So how's the seat feel on the ground?
The seat feels good.
Yeah, it's got about a half inch of compression when you sit on it, so that's good.
It's good. Yeah. I mean, it feels like it's easy for me to.
The handlebars are right where you can work your hands
Yeah.
good, so.
Yeah.
All right.
I like it.
So you want to take it down the street first, or you want me to do it?
You do first.
Why?
I don't know.
I already tested it.
Oh, okay, then I'll do it.
I don't care, whatever you want to do. Use your heel, yeah. There it is. Weld a little tang on there, and you can push it right out with your toe.
Okay.
All right, good to go. We'll be back.